get here. So help us know.
What's going on YouTube? Three Sons RC coming back at you with another bench video. Now we're out here at M2C Racing. We're doing another install video on the A, B, C, and D block for the hinge pins on the Outcast 8S. These are 70-75 aluminum, super tough, super burly by M2C, so appreciate the support there. And these are going to really help hold in the front and the rear end for those big sends or those wrecks that you possibly get into at high speeds, so the hinge pins don't break loose. A lot of times you see the breakages on the arms because the pin's not staying into the hinge pin holders. So this is going to help prevent that. It's going to strengthen up that, and then just kind of set you up for the future when you start sending it, right? So props to Mitch Looper over at M2C Racing. Thank you so much for the time out here at their workshop. And we're going to be installing this today. This is the front, this is the rear, A, B, C, and D. And we're going to put this together. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Hinge pin time, baby. Let's do this. Okay, so we're going to be installing this front hinge pin kit from M2C Racing. Now, what we've done is we've removed the front apparatus from the truck. And the whole front end will pull right off the truck. This part over an M2C Racing site is $32.85 for the front. Now, just to be clear, we have the A block, the B block, and in the rear you'll have the C block and then the D block. We're going to be installing this rear hinge pin kit here. You can see this is made out of billet aluminum 70-75, and this is the C, this is the D block. It's going to be installed like this on the truck. This is the rear of the chassis. It's got a little notch right here. That's going to go that way, and this one's going to go on like that. And you can see, just like with the front of the truck, we have the whole rear of the truck taken off in one big chunk. Just a couple screws from the bottom. The famous hands of Mitch Looper here. All right. Yeah. All right, we're putting this chassis back together, and also we're putting the hinge pin kit back together. One thing that we did add, you got these droop screw holes. I added 2 to the back, very conservative, and And Arrma went to a 3mm screw hole, so we just basically used a button head screw, and we're screwing it down a good amount, actually almost all the way. You can see there's almost, it barely rises up, just to help a little bit. The battery's getting low. All right, we got these 6 screws in there. All right, we're throwing on the rear bumper and the front bumper. We're finishing up this chassis pin, the hinge pin kit installation. Let's go.
Actually, the Arrma's made their block wrong here. Believe it or not, in the front. You need a battery to get that damn bumper on there.